Imagine a cosmic object hurtling through our solar system at mind-boggling speeds, its nature shrouded in mystery. This is the story of 3I Atlas, an interstellar visitor that has scientists scratching their heads and sparking debates. But here's where it gets controversial. Could this object be more than just a natural phenomenon? Let's dive into the fascinating and perplexing details. Traveling at a staggering speed exceeding 60 kilometers per second. 3I Atlas is no ordinary wanderer. If it were to collide with an asteroid just 20 meters wide, the energy released would be equivalent to 20 megatons of TNT, roughly 1,000 times the power of the Hiroshima atomic bomb. To put it in perspective, even an object as large as 20 kilometers in diameter, the estimated size of 3I Atlas based on its brightness would suffer catastrophic damage from such an impact. If 3I Atlas is a mere rock, it would shatter into pieces, a fate not uncommon in the cosmos. After all, our own moon is believed to have formed from a colossal collision between Earth and a Mars-sized object called Theia, around 4.5 billion years ago. Similarly, the late heavy bombardment saw countless asteroids pummeling Earth's surface billions of years ago. Nature, it seems, is no stranger to cosmic demolition. But what if 3I Atlas isn't just a rock? What if it's a spacecraft? This idea, though speculative, raises intriguing questions. If it were artificial, its creators would likely have taken measures to ensure its survival as it navigates the treacherous asteroid belts of planetary systems like ours. One possibility is that it could emit a stream of large particles ahead of itself, acting as a buffer zone to detect and avoid dangerous obstacles. Unlike smaller particles, which are pushed back by solar radiation and wind, larger particles, well above a micron in size, would remain in place, creating a protective shield. This buffer zone, roughly the diameter of Earth, would appear as a faint glow in front of 3I Atlas, a phenomenon that coincidentally has been observed by the Hubble Space Telescope. Spectroscopic measurements further support this, showing no signs of gas particles that would otherwise be pushed away by solar winds. And this is the part most people miss. The glow ahead of 3I Atlas could also be explained naturally. It might be caused by a dust-rich interstellar asteroid releasing large dust grains on its sun-warmed side. However, this explanation has its flaws. Smaller dust particles, which should be pushed into a trailing comet-like tail by solar radiation, are nowhere to be seen. Additionally, the observed reddening in 3I Atlas's spectrum suggests the presence of small dust grains, yet there's no evidence of a tail. This inconsistency leaves scientists puzzled. Could the reddening instead be due to the object's red surface, similar to one eye, Oumuamua? Even this theory faces a challenge. The rarity of such large dust-rich objects in interstellar space makes it statistically improbable to discover one within a decade, as we did with 3I Atlas. As 3I Atlas currently traverses the main asteroid belt of our solar system, a region teeming with about 1 trillion rocks larger than 20 meters, its path raises even more questions. Its trajectory is remarkably aligned with the ecliptic plane of the planets, a rare occurrence with only a 0.2% probability. Adding to the intrigue, its arrival time is perfectly timed for close encounters with Mars, Venus, and Jupiter, an event with a mere 0.005% chance. This precision has led to speculation that 3I Atlas could be a mothership, releasing mini-probes to study these planets, taking advantage of its retrograde motion. Unfortunately, we'll miss the chance to observe this, as 3I Atlas will be hidden behind the Sun at its closest approach on October 29, 2025. On the Loeb scale, where 0 represents a definitively natural object and 10 an artificial one, 3I Atlas currently ranks as a 4. As more data emerges, this ranking could shift dramatically. Here's a thought-provoking question for you. Is 3I Atlas a rare natural phenomenon, or could it be a technological marvel designed by an advanced civilization? The answer remains elusive, but one thing is certain. Science thrives on the unexpected, and 3I Atlas is a perfect example of that. About the author, Avi Loeb, a renowned astrophysicist,